Let's explore the kindergarten through third grade student experience with Horizons by AOP. Horizons Christian curriculum features complete grade sets for early learning made easy. Each school day, your child will complete lessons that explore the subjects of math, phonics and reading, health, spelling and vocabulary, and penmanship. Horizons uses the spiral learning style of concept introduction, frequent review, and lesson reinforcement. This differs from mastery learning, which most people are familiar with from public and private school curriculum. Attention spans are short at this developmental stage, so we recommend each lesson be kept to 15 to 20 minutes in kindergarten and increase to 20 to 30 minutes per lesson in first through third grade. The Robust Teacher's Guide provides detailed support for parents, with suggestions for materials, instructions, optional activities, and other resources, so you can easily guide your child through all learning activities with little preparation. Is Horizons kindergarten through third grade right for your child? Shop Horizons and start building your child's math, reading, and writing skills today.